Welcome back. It's time for Spinners and Spanners. Are we ready for the shake-up? Because seemingly there is no going back to an era where news was just seen as that, as news. Now there's an intensifying scrutiny by news consumers who are rejecting opinions of organizations such as the South African National Editors Forum. But how do we blame news consumers when it has become evident that even amongst media practitioners, we are just suspicious of each other's intentions? History shows that the perceived bias would have been attached to a media house or a publication, but now it goes down to the individual reporter whose byline is on the story. The question that faces the next crop of young political journalists is, which group would you be boxed into, even by your colleagues? Are you part of the cabal, the Defence Force, Stratcom, or the Fight Back campaign? Imagine a day when one of the most important pillars of our democracy becomes a persona non grata. Are we ready? Well, think about it. The PolitBureau is adjourned. Good night.